Make them about 3 centimeters bigger. Piece 1 is for cover. The middle one is the pass-through. So the last one is the pocket to hold the next card. The cover one, I'm gonna decorate it later like this. Put it like this, and then you can this one. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit bigger than this. So you can see my card very clearly. So I got the slit like this. This is the pocket for the card. So show the back of